OMNIAC's a very quick video. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, traders from across the globe. A very quick video for you because I am in day 3 of OMNICAMP, and OMNICAMP lasts for 4 days, but I need to get this out to you, so let me see what I can show you. Video number 2886 coming at you on a Sunday night for trading Monday. That's March 24th, 2025. Please remember the risks behind trading. Just want to let you know something. We are not out of the woods. My OMNI has gone neutral. OMNI for trading on Monday is neutral. So we have a neutral OMNI. Doesn't want us to buy or sell the U.S. indices. Let me show you what they look like, however. So, neutral OMNI. We are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days below the 200 bar moving average. That, my friends, is an issue. Sorry to say, that is an issue. The OMNI has been flip-flopping like crazy, meaning we're going to vacate the area. Could vacate up, of course, but right now 5, 6 bars maybe below, or at least trying to get through. 5 bars that tried to get through, that's ugly so far. And then, of course, you've got this. You know what? Let's not even go to Bitcoin while we're here. Bitcoin, failure again. Looks ugly because of that failure, like it did each time. And I want to show you this one, because this is the important one here. NASDAQ. Remember that big bear flag? Well, we're still steeped inside of that bear flag. Even with a big fat rally day, if we had one Monday, you are still inside of that bear flag. OMNI is flip-flopping like crazy, so tonight's video is to tell you we are not out of the woods. We are not out of the woods yet as far as Friday's rally making the markets become bullish. We're still steeped in bear flags, and we're under 200 bar moving averages. OMNI's flip-flopping. And I will tell you this for Monday. OMNI does not like metals nor bonds. It does not like gold and silver. It does not like 30-year bonds and 10-year notes for trading on Monday. I hope that helps. Make sure that you place your stops. Always put them in first, because we know that stops are in. Emotions are out. Traders, I hope this video helps. I'll see you at my site, and OMNIACs, I will see you all after OMNICAMP. Thank you so much for tuning in.